So money is actually everywhere on the internet. All that we need is few resources so we can go ourselves and grab it. I have something for you today which you can make once or twice per day and have a nice income for yourself. It won't take much of your time and it's simple, it's easy and it works. So if you want to make some money, follow me along the video and please like it as well because it really helps. Now let's get started. So guys, first of all, we need to connect to this website which is called g2.com, and this is where you come for software. As you can see right over here, this is a website which reviews software, but it doesn't review software on itself. It's you and me who are gonna review that and we're gonna earn money for it. So if you use some software and you like it a lot, you can come here and write an honest review about it and you will get paid for it from 10 to 15 or even $20 if it's a good software. If it's a very popular one, you can get a lot of money here. So I'll just show you how this actually works. So this website gathers reviews about certain software, so other people, like someone who wants to try out different software, comes here and he looks at these reviews. As you can see, this one is rated 12,000 times and it has 4.2 out of 5. And people like you and me came and just did the review of it and they posted it here and they got paid for it. As you can see, a lot of software is here. There are a lot of categories over here. As you can see, there is some video conferencing, there is some accounting, CRM, expense management, ERP systems, online backup, whatever you need, these guys got you covered. So these are the most popular nowadays because all working from home and such. This is Zoom, for example. If you want to write a review about Zoom, you can do just that. And as a matter of fact, I'm just gonna use Zoom today for our example. But before we get on to that, guys, I need you to come on g2.com and make yourself a new account, which is free, of course. Just click here on this orange button, join or sign in. Once you click on that, you will be prompted with this message where you can log in via your LinkedIn account if you have that, via your Facebook account or Google account. This is gonna take a second of your time and you are ready. Now, once you are done with that, just come back on here. You will be redirected, of course, and what I want you to do now, guys, is simply click on this button, write review. And now from here, you can see that there are a lot of categories, so you can choose whichever one you want. If you have used some software in the past or you are using it right now, it's gonna be easier for you to write an honest review. But if you don't have experience with software, I'm gonna show you how you can write a review here which is gonna get accepted and which will pay you a lot of money. So you can get $15 to $20 on each of these reviews, and as many as you do, you will get more money. So the more time you invest in this, you will get more money. That's how it actually works. So for example, you can just go and click on software development and find a certain software here, and if you don't have any experience, just choose whatever you want. It doesn't matter really because I'm gonna show you one trick which you can use in order to appear more experienced with the software, to appear more professional, because that's the way in which your review is gonna get accepted and that's the way in which you're gonna get money. And just imagine, guys, if you get like 3 of these reviews done in 1 hour, and that's possible because it only takes you like 20 minutes or so, you can get $15 times 3 in an hour. You can get $45 each hour, guys. Each hour, $45 is yours. And I told you that we are gonna use Zoom today, and as you can see, it's very popular reviews. 40,000 reviews on Zoom, so it's a very popular app. Everyone uses it. In fact, I use it as well. So you can see here that there are some official videos about Zoom, so you can use that as well. But what I want you to do now is go down there until you find this button which is entitled Write a Review. Click on it. And now the first question, it is very easy one. How likely is it that you would recommend Zoom to a friend or colleague? Just put a 10, very likely, and now you will proceed to write a title for your review. So here you just use a bit of your imagination, guys. You just have to make up with a title, so you can be creative as well. You can just put Zoom in on a new world. So that's a nice title, it's catchy, it's something like that, and you're done with that. As soon as you did it, click on the next button here. Now this here will open, and now you have certain questions here which have to be answered. So what do you like best? And what do you dislike about it? And for now, guys, if you don't have experience with certain software that you chose, Now I'm gonna show you how you're gonna answer to these questions and how it's gonna be perfect. You will simply have to go on Zoom's page here on G2 and you will scroll here and click on reviews. Just click on these reviews and now you will be served with all of these reviews, all of these 40,000 reviews which are already done for you, and you will use them. So for example, just click on show more and you will see here answer to this question. This person answered it, and what I want you to do is to just copy all of this into your clipboard, guys, and then go on spinbot.com. Spinbot.com is a software which is gonna rewrite your text. So if we paste this here and we click on this button, spin it, you will just complete this simple captcha, just complete this simple and new captcha, and then it's gonna rewrite the whole answer in a different words. The meaning is gonna stay the same, but the words are gonna be rearranged, and that's what you need because they will know if you just copy the answer. They have a software for that as well. Just copy this rewritten one, and so they won't know that you have copied the answer from another person. Then you just go back here and you just paste that answer, and it's good as new, guys. Awesome review. Thank you. Now, thank you very much, G2, for paying us money. Now, the next question is, what do you dislike? You go back to that page and there is what do you dislike. There is nothing in Zoom that I don't like. You simply copy it, go to spinbot.com, you delete this, you paste this, you spin it, and there is it, guys. There is nothing in Zoom that I don't like. Come back here and just paste that answer. That's it, guys. You can just add it is perfect, and that's it, guys. All that you have to do for this one. Now the same goes with this one. You just copy this as well, spin it over here on Spinbot, copy this into your clipboard and go back and answer to this question: what problems are you solving with Zoom, and click on next button. And that's as far as copying is going. Now here, for which purposes you use Zoom, you use screen sharing and you use video conferencing. That's it, click on next. And now this is what is your organization size when using this product. You can choose myself only. Industry, you can just choose freelancing. That's okay for us. Are you a current user of Zoom? You click yes. And a few of these down here. What is your primary role? You click user. And this is very important. I confirm that I'm not affiliated with the product I reviewed. Just click on no, I'm not affiliated, so these guys know that it's an honest review. Click on next, and that's it. Now you can see thanks for your review, and your money is going straight to your PayPal account, and you just enter that on your profile on g2.com. And that's it. That's how simple this is, guys. I highly suggest that you go and try this one out, and I'll catch you later.